Hey, what's up, action takers? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, if you're new, you have two things to do before you become part of the community that we have here. The first thing is you have to take action if you learn something new from my videos. And the second thing is you have to join the Facebook group. It's called the Ecom Action Takers. I'll provide the link below. So if you have any questions regarding your Shopify store or Facebook ads, you can post it there. Now, just before we start, if you want to win a one-on-one consulting call with me, comment down below #ActionTaker plus a little side comment of what kind of struggles you have at the moment with your Shopify store. I'll be announcing the winner in my next video. But before we start, you know how it is. Click that like and subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos that I upload. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the 7 struggles of every dropshippers who started in 2019. So the first point is the no capital or investment. A lot of gurus will tell you that you won't need much investment or capital to get started. While it is true, 99% of the time you will fail. You're going to need to put money into your business, okay? Because advertising cost is increasing, and also you're gonna need to think of other marketing strategy which involves you investing on your business, such as influencers or trying out Google ads or Reddit or YouTube ads. That's gonna help you differentiate yourself and stay on the top. Okay, don't listen to any of the gurus that tells you that you only need $50 to get started. Okay. Our second point for today is not sure how to start. A lot of dropshippers out here, they know the business model, but they just can't get themselves to start. Obviously, you're going to have to research, okay? You have to gain that knowledge. You don't have to pay a guru to get started. You don't have to pay courses to get started. Well, it might help you, but, I started by just watching YouTube videos. There is a lot of free content out there for you to just get on it and start creating your own financial freedom that way. So this third point is very, very crucial, because this is where dropshippers kind of just step out and stop before they even get started. It's the doubt if the actual dropshipping business model is still working right now. Basically, people are asking if dropshipping is dead. Let me tell you this right now, it is not dead, but it's definitely different to what you should be doing from 2017 or 18. Okay? If you were watching videos from those years, then it might help you a little bit, but most likely the strategy is oversaturated and you're going to have a lot of competition. So what you have to be doing to be successful is differentiating yourself, like I said earlier. And yes, dropshipping is not dead, it still works, but make sure you have that advantage by using other marketing strategies for your business. Now this one's pretty common as well. There is too much information. That is true. There is a lot of information out there, a lot of contents out there. What I suggest you guys should do is focusing on few people or information. Okay? What I mean is I'd pick your top 3 YouTubers to listen to and get as much information as you can. Start reading comments as well. Make sure that guru or YouTuber is legit. Okay? And basically that's how I started as well. I started following a couple of people at the beginning. I launched my Shopify and I started seeing results straight away. I wasn't getting overloaded by information because I was getting the information and putting it into action straight away. It just doesn't stay in my head. This is one way to not get overloaded. Too much planning. Now this is very important because a lot of dropshippers out there would plan, design their website. It would take them 1 month to design a website when it should only be taking you less than 1 day. Or how am I gonna market this, or what kind of product should I sell? That's just wasting time. Okay, when you plan, make sure you just sit down. It will take you less than 4 hours to plan your store. Okay, I'm experienced. I can do it in 2 hours. I can plan everything, like what I should do, and also I'll be halfway through my creating my website. That's within 2 hours. But you should be, if you're just starting, you should be focusing on the details, such as uh, that product that you should be selling. Okay, and also what kind of advertising are you going to be doing, and then what kind of apps you need, and also what kind of payment provider you should be using, which should be Stripe and PayPal. If Stripe is not an option, then PayPal is fine. I'm pretty sure there are other alternatives out there, so just check that out. But those are just the four main things you should be planning about before you start your Shopify store. And make sure once you plan one or two things, start implementing it. Drop shipping logistics. Now this one puts off a lot of dropshipper out there because they don't know how the business model works, or how they communicate with supplier, how they buy the product, what kind of apps they should be using to automate this logistic. It's very simple. So the business model itself, basically you create a website, and then a customer will buy from you, and then you tell your supplier to ship it to them. That's the overall I guess idea of the dropshipping business model, right? So that one's fairly easy. But ordering from your supplier, that one's really easy too. You can use apps like Shopify, Oberlo, or DSers, which is what I use because it's free and it's very, very easy to use. Basically, once you import your product from that application, it will straight away upload it to your Shopify store. And that means that it's your Shopify store is now connected to your supplier's product. Okay? Now, when someone orders from you, you only have to go to your app, which is DSers or Oberlo or Shopify or whatever it is, and you just have to auto order. It does it for you. You don't have to fill in anything. Okay? It just takes 2 clicks, and then you're done. That's it. So don't overcomplicate. Now this one is very, very frustrating because gurus out there, they tend to sell this mindset. Okay, it is the get rich quick mindset. Now you can get rich quick with this, but in the long run it won't be beneficial for you. Okay, the drop shipping itself can be a quick source of income, but you're gonna have to start thinking of creating that long-term brand. Okay, in my previous videos I explained what kind of store you should be making. You should be making a niche general store which you can turn into a brand. Obviously it's good to start as a general store, and then once you find that winning product, turn it into one product or a niche general store, so you can create a long-term brand. I don't like telling my students that there is a quick way of getting rich with Shopify. I'm honest with them. I tell them, look, if you want to succeed in this in 2019, you have to get rid of that mindset. You have to start using you have to start implementing healthy habits into your life. Okay, and you have to treat this as a business. Okay, drop shipping itself is a business. So you have to invest your time and money to it. That is one way to create a profitable business long term. Don't think of this as a get rich quick source of money. Now, if you enjoyed that little Now, if you enjoyed that video, or if you have any questions regarding Shopify, or if you're struggling with Shopify, make sure you join the Facebook group. I provided the link down in my description. It's called the Ecom Action Takers, and I'm creating a community here where everyone can benefit from each other and also gain value from one another. I'm also going to be active in that group, so I'll be able to help you guys out. Don't forget to comment down below hashtag action taker so you can win a one-on-one consulting call with me. Also, hit that like and subscribe button and also that notification bell. I'll see you guys soon. Ciao.